Last episode, we talked about the problem on my R32 Nissan Skyline, but today we are finally going to be doing something about it. Today, we are finally going to be swapping out the old oil for this new 10W60 by Liquid Moly. I've heard it's the best for Skylines, and I've heard that this should help with their lifter tick. First things first, we got to drain all of our old 20W50 engine oil. And while we sit and wait, we can contemplate our life choices and all the poor decisions we made and how... Anyways, now that that's done, we just tighten this drain plug back up and then we're going to fill this baby up. Now, if this engine oil doesn't fix our lifter tick, I do have one solution.
Hopefully it'll work. If not, I got some lifter cleaner.
So right off the bat, it does sound pretty bad, but once we let it get up to operating temp, they definitely sound a lot more quiet.
Hard to hear up all this fucking rain.
So if you couldn't tell, I was a little upset with all the rain.
I think it's fixed. It's kind of hard to tell right now. It's not ticking now, and even after a hot restart, it's not ticking, which it used to do. But I'm gonna check back tomorrow. I'm gonna do a cold start.
Once again, you can kind of tell, once it hits that operating temperature, it sounds a lot better. So I did buy this Liquid Moly hydraulic lifter additive, so I feel like I might as well go ahead and put it to good use. You know, in the end, I think it definitely sounds a whole lot better than it used to, but I'm not entirely convinced that the problem is completely gone. But only time will tell, so we'll see.